Hello, my name is Young Tran and I'm an orthopedic PA here at the Polyclinic. I'm interested in the technical perspectives about orthopedics and also the hands-on experience of getting people better quickly. I've always been interested in helping people and also in the science of how the human body works. So in high school I was an athletic trainer, and then later on I went to University of Washington. I was a pre-med major for a while. I also became a EMT and surgical technologist, and that's where I really became interested in the operating room. I love the Polyclinic because of the people I work with. I feel like I'm a part of a really great team, and the providers here provide great care to their patients. As an orthopedic physician assistant, I work as a team member with orthopedic surgeons to help take care of patients, evaluating patients, diagnosing them, and developing a treatment plan. When patients come to see me, I want them to look forward to having someone that will listen to them, that cares about them, and also that will involve them in their treatment plan. I love the challenge of trying to help someone and also the satisfaction of getting people back to doing the things that they enjoy, whether that be skiing or playing tennis, golf, or spending time with their grandchildren. When I'm not at work, I enjoy spending time with my 2 kids and family, friends. Also, doing anything outside, such as golfing or hiking, spending time on the water, I enjoy. What I'm passionate about is trying to be as near perfect as we can to try to get you to be as healthy as possible with the newest technology, the latest innovation, and that's what I'm passionate about.